आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये क्या है. So that is the view from my balcony. Every day I see at least one or twice ambulance dropping COVID patient in this particular place. So I'm at the government isolation center in Maldives, where they've kept all COVID positive patients in this particular place. This is a hotel named Hotel Horizon, and it has got 9 floors with 3 rooms in each floor. Like, these rooms are at single occupancy as well as double occupancy, and contains lot of Indian people. So ज़रूरी नहीं कि जो लोग यहाँ पे हैं those are the only COVID positive patient, because यहाँ पे जैसे यहाँ रूम की अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं मिलती है, ये मतलब दिस प्लेस इज़ क्वाइट पैक्ड ऑल द टाइम. बट जैसे ही एक रूम खाली होता है तो पीपल हु आर डूइंग क्वारंटीन इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव रिजॉर्ट्स, उनको यहाँ पे लाया जाता है. तो हाँ, दिस इज़ द प्लेस फॉर ऑल कोविड पॉजिटिव पीपल. देन देर इज़ अनदर होटल कॉल्ड होटल बी हाइव, जहाँ पे उन सारे पॉजिटिव पेशेंट के जो डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं उनको रखा जाता है. सो I've already in my previous video I've done a room tour for the facility. So pretty decent facility है, यहाँ आपको सारी amenities मिलती हैं. आपको you are provided meals thrice a day, breakfast, lunch and dinner. तो यहाँ पे the food issue which I had in the hospital, that's not the case over here. खाना आपको properly मिलता है, but हाँ, no one is coming to your room for cleanliness or anything, I think, which is pretty much understood कि आपके रूम में कोई नहीं आएगा. तो you have to wash your dishes, you have to clean your room by yourself. But if you need anything, they are like, literally, they have very quick service. You are given uh, the tea, coffee, all that things you are given, like the normal things which you get in any hotel. You get that tea, coffee which you can make for yourself. Other than that, you get 3 bottle of water which is 1.5 liter each. You get free Wi-Fi and you get meals thrice a day. सो यहाँ पे मुझे वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है जो मुझे हॉस्पिटल में होती थी. आई गेट डिसेंट वेज फूड ओवर हियर. And then, as per the rules, how every morning the COVID patient, so there is a medical team which sits on first floor. So every morning every COVID patient has to go for a regular checkup, where they check your blood pressure, your SpO2 value and fever, and see if you are getting any symptoms or need any medical treatment. So they provide you medicines, if you need any medical help. सारे इंडियन लोग हैं यहाँ पे. मतलब इतना रिलीफ मिला है इंडियंस को देख के. हाँ. Other than that, so that's the morning life. आप उठते हैं, आपको breakfast दिया जाता है. So you do your whatever you want to do, steam, gargles, whatever they recommend you. So you do that. Then at around from 9 to 12, the medical team sits at first floor. So you go and get your checkup done, जहाँ आपके सारी values, vitals they record, and then post that you have your lunch and dinner. The only catch is you cannot go outside this facility. So this room is your only place to live for the next 14 days. आप यहाँ से कहीं नहीं जा सकते. आप reception तक भी नहीं allowed हो. So you cannot even walk to the reception. If you need anything, you just give them a call. Wear the mask when they come to give you anything, as a precaution for other people. अगर आप medical checkup के लिए भी जा रहे हैं, it's mandate that you wear a mask. For me, my vitals are pretty much okay. My blood pressure, SpO2, BP, everything looks fine. The weakness is also reduced. Now I will be doing my test. I tested positive on 27th, so now I'll be retested on 9th April. But here's a catch. कि जो आपके डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, लाइक प्रतीक इन माई केस, माई हस्बैंड, तो फॉर मी my 14-day quarantine starts from the day I give the sample. So मेरा 27 से day 1 शुरू होता है. However, for your direct contacts, the day of isolation when you guys were separated, that becomes the day 1 of the quarantine, and you get tested on day 15th. So for Pratik, the test will be done on 11th April, which I don't feel is very fair because um, he just got tested again. So we got him tested yesterday and he got negative again. So I don't understand why for direct contacts they hold them for 2 days more now. But yeah, that's the rule, and we've been trying to fight over that. We have dropped quite a lot of emails to the embassy, to HPA, to Maldives government, but as of now, we do not hear anything positive on that. So at the moment, I will be tested on 9th April, and Pratik will be tested on 11th April. If there's any update on it, I'll definitely share it. So yeah, that's about this medical center. बस होटल रूम है और यू गेट ऑल अमेनिटीज़. ऐसा कोई खाने वाने का आपको दिक्कत नहीं होता है यहाँ पे, बट यू कैन नॉट ऑर्डर आउटसाइड फूड, एंड यू हैव टू, द फूड इज़ प्रिटी डिसेंट. अच्छा होलसम मील मिलता है विद लिटिल ऑफ सैलड, फ्रूट्स एंड आपको राइस एंड करी मिलता है मोस्टली. तो food is pretty much wholesome. It's a decent food you get. You can also ask for extra food if you want, if you feel hungry. So here is the meal which is received. Let me show you guys. So if you see, there is some fruits, they've given some veggies, and there is potato and rice. Yep. The place is okay, and I just made a quick video of things you can do over here. So we try and do a remote date kind of a thing. um, Remote movies you can watch with your partner if you're like stranded at different places. So, yep, so go ahead, you can watch the video and get some ideas.